This video is just a bit of a detailed insight into this one component of the Numnuts device, the fluid junction. So just a bit about the design philosophy. The Numnuts device has always been seen as a modular instrument, with the chassis being something that will last a long time. This part here at the top it should last 20 to 30,000 injections. And the fluid junction is something that we've always seen as an annual replacement, or if you're doing big numbers, it would certainly be something that you'd want to have some spares of. It's a semi-replaceable. Just like the vaccine draw-off tubes that you have in pillow packs, because the fluid is running through this, you want to keep it hygienic and clean so that the product that you're injecting into the animal is got the best hygiene possible. Over time, the local anaesthetic will start to corrode the little spring that's in the front of here, and it'll start to rust, and so will this metal part at the front. So it's certainly been seen as an annual replacement. A really useful tip with the fluid junction is when you attach the Nummucaine to it, you don't have to tighten the fluid junction right up to the hilt. You only need to use your thumb and forefinger and just make it sort of firmly tight there. You don't need to grab the whole bottle and graunch it right round. The reason for that is that the sealing obviously happens between this orange surface here and the inner surface, the clear surface on the inside there. Now, as there are multiple bottles being replaced here, there might be some wear that starts to occur on the inside surface of the barrel of the fluid junction. This allowing some play and some extra tightening to occur here means that as that wear occurs on the inside, you can replace multiple bottles and still get a reliable, good seal. So the tip is just tighten it up so it's firm, thumb and forefinger tight, but you don't have to go right the way to the hilt each time. And that will help prevent cracking, and it'll also make it a lot easier to take off each time. Over the years, we've gradually improved this part. To begin with, in 2019, and there are probably very few of these left in circulation, the fluid junction had a flat top across here. This was because we thought that we were going to be packaging the Nummucaine in plastic bottles. Unfortunately, due to regulation, they had to come in glass bottles, which added over 100 grams to the weight of the device. This put extra strain on these small plastic lugs, and we had some cracking appearing in this part. So in 2020 we improved that. We listened to the feedback, and the improvements were to change and thicken up these lugs here, which holds the product on much more firmly, and we also thickened up the inside. In 2021, improving on that again, we actually changed the material from an ABS material to a tougher polycarbonate, and this is a new polycarbonate version. You know that if you've bought your device in 2021 or have a fluid junction that has the date on it there, that you've got this newer polycarbonate, same material that they make Riot Shields out of. Every polycarbonate fluid junction sold in 2021 has a white Tipex dot. You'll just see it down in this corner where my thumb is there. And so far these have proven very reliable. And it's just an example of a component going through its standard life cycle improvement and refinement stages as we've received feedback from the field. So thank you for everyone that's told us about it, and that's the history of one little component called the fluid junction. So here we are at the Numnuts injection mould factory, entirely renewably powered using the sun. The machine behind us has just been commissioned up today, and it's sampling this part we call fluid junction, and the mould tool's currently just opening. So you can see the injects two parts at a time. Spit out here. What we've got here is a pretty crucial part of the whole assembly. It's been a massive amount of design engineering work into this. This part connects up with our dual stage injector and connects together both of that piece and with our quick change cartridge. So super exciting time. We're having parts come out of the machine and see our expensive injection mold tools coming to life and being commissioned up. think we've got about 5 seconds, about a 50-second cycle time on this. 48 seconds, parts opening, the ejector pins spitting the parts out. They come out a little bit cloudy, and then as they dry and as the plastic cools, they end up clearer. So this one we've had out for quite a while.